This is an amazing story of poor and rich man. Subscribe for more videos.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there were two friends, Tom and Jack. Tom was a rich man, and he owned a big farm with lots of crops and animals. Jack, on the other hand, was a poor man who worked hard every day but had very little to show for it. Tom and Jack had been friends since they were children, and their friendship was strong. Tom always helped Jack by sharing some of his extra food and sometimes even a little money. One summer, a terrible drought hit the village. It hadn't rained for a long time, and the crops were dying. Jack's small garden dried up, and he had nothing to eat. He became very worried and didn't know how he would survive. Tom saw his friends suffering and wanted to help. He went to Jack's house with a big basket of fresh vegetables, eggs, and some money. He said, "Jack, I know times are tough, and you're my friend. Please take this food and money to help you through these difficult days." Jack was grateful for Tom's kindness and accepted the help with tears in his eyes. He knew that Tom had a lot, but he also knew that Tom cared about him deeply. As the days passed, the drought continued, and the village faced even more hardships. But Tom and Jack's friendship remained strong. They worked together to help others in the village, sharing what they had and encouraging everyone to stay hopeful. One day, the sky turned dark, and rain finally began to fall. It was a blessing for the village, and the crops started to grow again. People were happy and relieved. Tom and Jack celebrated together, thankful for the rain and for their enduring friendship. From that day on, Tom and Jack continued to help each other and their community, knowing that true wealth wasn't just about having lots of things, but about caring for and supporting one another, especially in difficult times. And so, the rich man and the poor man, united by their friendship and kindness, lived happily ever after in their small village, teaching everyone the importance of sharing and looking out for one another.